Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. Got my motorcycle towed over to Bumpus Harley Davidson in Memphis, Tennessee. Y'all stick around. Guys, I'm glad y'all stuck around. After my ordeal the previous night on my motorcycle not running and sputtering and if you haven't seen that video, you can catch it right there and watch that. But I had to get the motorcycle towed from the hotel, so it was towed 2 days in a row from the middle of nowhere in Tennessee to the hotel, and then now over to Bumpus Harley Davidson because they weren't open on Sunday. So what you're about to see is the tow truck taking me over there, and I'll let y'all see that, and I'll get back with you after that. All right. Let me straighten it up. Yeah, I'm looking here. How's that? All right, ready? Ready? Yeah. Yeah, the trailer's going to stay here for a little while. We're going over to the Harley dealership. Yeah, just hop on it, push back.
Oh yeah.
All right. Okay. Guess we can push it right over here.
I think up there by the door.
Okay.
They normally bring them on in.
All right. Need anything else from me?
That's it.
Appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
All right.
Good luck to you. Be safe on the ride.
Thanks. I appreciate that.
You're very welcome.
All right. Well, guys, Bumpus did a great job. They got me in and out within a couple of hours. They knew that I was on the road, and they did an awesome job. It cost me $338 and some odd cents to get it fixed, and I can't really tell you what the part they replaced. It's called a top assembly something something something, and it's a plastic part that connects to the fuel filter, and actually the fuel filter was included in this kit, and it's a perfectly round piece on the plastic was oval, and it wasn't round. It has a rubber ring on it. They replaced that. The bike is working, and it's great now. And you need work on your Harley Davidson, go over to Bumpus. They'll probably take care of you. They took care of me. Guys, if you enjoy these types of videos and you're not subscribed to me, you should be. Click on that subscribe button down below and then hammer the hell out of that bell, and you'll get email notifications that I've uploaded a video. And if you would like to become an insider and a supporter of Lone Star Rider, click on that button right there and check out my Patreon site. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think. Catch you on the road. Howdy, y'all, Lone Star Rider. Let's try that again. Howdy, y'all, Lone Star Rider here. Got my bike towed over to Bumpus. Did I say it right? Bumpus? Yeah, I did say that right. Bumpus. 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 So, guys, if you like these types of video, I don't even know if I have my bell. Where's my bell? I have no idea where my bell is. I've lost my bell. My bell. Monday morning. Oh, that's Michelle, not Bell. Here we go. Click on that subscribe button down there. Did I say that right? I don't know. Hey, guys. Got into the groove. Got more videos to edit. Oh, no. Okay. It's not that bad.